All right, so we're here at our local Pick and Save, and we're going to go in and see if we can find another little head unit controls for the buttons and see if maybe we can get one and get lucky for the cheap. Well, strike one. Fingers crossed we do better, but plenty to go. Striking out again. That one's different. Ooh, a lot of bills. Gotta pay all them. Leather. We got leather, folks, and it's different again. Huh. All right, this is our hope. We got some steel wheels. Nice. You actually got a matching set there. That's pretty nice. And so this looks right, but the thingy's actually missing. And it's in the back seat. And it's just the plastic. Things you see in the junkyard. All right, so we were walking back through and we actually happened across a few cars we didn't look at, and looky what we found. So we're gonna pull this out right now and fingers crossed it works. This one. Maybe. And huh, it's got a sticker on it. Almost like it's been refurbished or something. That one. And this is probably the most difficult because it's hard to get your fingers in here. There we go. It's got a sticker. Your parts source. So I'm almost wondering, like, maybe this one was rebuilt. Oh, look at that. It's got a thing. We might have just hit the jackpot here, Jay.
All right. Good eye.
It's pretty clean too. Like, so if you're out picking, although I'm not thrilled with like how like half these screws are in here, but it feels like this unit, the actual electrical part, may have been rebuilt. But we're gonna go find out right now. All right, let's do this. Screwdriver. All right, so we're gonna do this right here, right now. We got our Phillips head screwdriver. We got our pry tools.
There's a little.
We got our short screwdriver. Okay, so this clock will take a little bit of finesse to come out. Try under there. Yeah, I think it came out under there. There you go. There we go. Do this. Can you hold that? There you go. Here's that one. That one. There we go. Now, can't really see it that well, but there is a screw down in there. So we're gonna get that, and then this unit will actually come right out. All right, so we got everything out. It's just a matter of actually pulling this out of the dash. Wires in the back. There's that one. I can get it. There we go. Can't really see it that well, but. So spot the new one versus the old one. And it's obviously this one says a clock in there, but yeah, they're looking pretty solid. What does the back look like? So you can see the screws here. This is obviously from the factory. This is, I honestly have no idea who did this, and they broke those, but it's solid in there, and the controls actually feel really solid. So we're gonna plug it in, and fingers crossed it works right now. Okay. Yeah, so don't be the pick and save person that did this, because they got it out of there. One of those come hell or high water, they got it out of there. They broke the mount right out of the old Accord. So we're gonna go ahead and disassemble that right now and get that, and so we can put this together. Okay. All right. All right, so with this thing running, oops, we have everything working, but we're still not getting the on the floor here and then back up here, and that's actually controlled. There's an actuator down here, so we're gonna have to go ahead and get that ordered and then get it replaced, but you'll see that on a future episode here. Thanks for watching.